A big hello to all of you. How's everybody doing? And where is the birthday boy? Dr. D. Prabhakar. First of all, wishing you a very, very happy birthday, sir. I am so happy and honored that I got this opportunity to be a part of your special occasion today, like this today, sir. And I know you must be getting tons and tons of birthday wishes today because you are special for everybody, sir. But today, what we have for you, just wait and watch. It's going to bring a big smile on your face, sir. And this dedication is specially on behalf of someone for whom you mean a lot, Dr. Prabhakar, who has the greatest amount of respect, love, and regards in his heart for you. This dedication is for you on behalf of Mr. R. Arun Nehru. So, sir, are you ready? Shall we start the birthday party? And all the family members, all of you watching this video, you and me are one team, okay? Today we have to pamper Sir together. So you have to support me, all of you. Wishing you all the happiness, love, good health forever. Dr. Prabhakar. Happy birthday, sir. God bless you. It's a happy birthday. Your birthday, your birthday. It's a happy birthday. It's a happy birthday to you. Take a bow on your birthday. Your birthday, your birthday. Take a bow on your birthday. It's a happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, Dr. Prabhakar. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Everybody clap for sir. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, Dr. Prabhakar, see, as a singer, sir, this is the best way I can wish anyone. And I'm a Bollywood singer. I could have sung any famous Bollywood song for you, like my own song, which I released after I won my music reality show. Chandu ke chacha ne chandu ki chachi ko chandi ki chamchi se chatdi chatai. Remember my song? Or I could have sung some famous South Indian songs also. Apadi pode 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 asati pode kannale ipudi pode 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 iruthu pode kaiyale innu nade poduma innum konjam veduma innum nade poduma innum konjam veduma papparappa innum nade poduma innum konjam veduma. I could have sung these songs, but sir, today I have written and composed one song exclusively for you. पूरे दिल से लिखा है, sir. I hope you will like it. Now, all the family members, listen to me. You have to do the most important thing now, okay? For sir, when I finish this song, all of you have to do one thing. Should I tell you? It's very important. Everybody has to go and give the birthday boy, Dr. Prabhakar, a big loving hug and wish him happy birthday, okay? After the song. If you love him, you have to do this. Ha. With the greatest of respect, this is for you, sir. We are here together with all our love as we celebrate your birthday. Wish you lots of happiness and good health. Dr. Prabhakar is our hero. We are grateful to you forever. You are one, our special one. For every patient that you have ever treated, you are an angel of God. We are grateful to you forever. You are one, our special one. We will always keep you in our prayers and wishes. Dr. D. Prabhakar. Yeah. We are here together with all our love as we celebrate your birthday. Wish you lots of happiness and good health. May you live 100 years. We are grateful to you forever. You are one, our special one. For every patient that you have ever treated, you are an angel of God. We are grateful to you, Dr. Prabhakar. You are one, our special one. We will always keep you in our prayers and wishes. Dr. D. Prabhakar, our hero, Dr. D. Prabhakar, our savior, Dr. D. Prabhakar. Happy birthday, Dr. D. Prabhakar. Yeah. Everybody give him a hug. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No cheating. Huh? Come on. How was it, sir? Did you like the song? Nalla irka? I just want to say it was a great honor for me personally that I got this opportunity to do something special for you on your special day, sir. And as I sang for you in the song, Dr. Prabhakar, you are the real superhero of our lives, sir. It's because of angels like you. Today we all live in a safe and a healthy world, sir. We can never thank you enough in words for all your selfless and your fearless services for us, sir. And for every personal sacrifice that you make for us as a healthcare worker. Dr. Prabhakar, we are eternally grateful to you, sir, and we salute you. And on this beautiful day, on your birthday, I wish and I pray from my heart, may you always stay happy, stay healthy, and have this beautiful smile on your face as always. And to the whole family, everybody, sending my love to all of you. God bless all of you. Please give a small cake to serve from my side also. I hope you like this wish, sir. Do let me know how was it, sir. And next special occasion, I will sing a song of your choice. I'll ask you in advance. And even if I don't know the song, I'll learn it for you, sir. And on behalf of Mr. R. Arun Nehru, I say this to you. It's a great honor to be associated with you itself, sir, and to have your support for us means the world to us. We thank you for all your support. And on behalf of your entire family, all those who are watching this, I dedicate these last two lines before I go to you, because we can't help falling in love with an angel whom we call Dr. D. Prabhakar. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I